This is the soundtrack of the ocean. Songs that span miles, whistles, clicks, vital messages between families and individuals. But hidden dangers lurk beneath the surface. Can you hear them? Whales, dolphins and porpoises live in a world defined by sound. It's how they communicate, navigate, find food and stay together. But this is their reality. Every single day. Whales plunges their world into chaos, drowning them out, causing stress and sometimes injury, forcing them elsewhere. It can be deadly. Our noise can devastate their lives. Let their voices be heard again. Turn down ocean noise.